Okay, so here we have the sheep heart. We've done a dissection on it. We have the right side of the heart and the left side of the heart. On the top of the heart, we have the right auricle here. On the left side of the heart, we have the left auricle here, this big gray flap. If we follow this down here, we have the left coronary arteries that you can see on the outside here. The arteries, coronary arteries. If we open the heart up here, on this side, we have the left side. Here we have the right side. On this side here, we have the left ventricle, which is here. This includes the apex of the heart. At the top here, we have the left atrium. On the right side, here is the right ventricle in here. And here in this area, this hole here is the right atrium. On the left side of the heart, we have the mitral or bicuspid valve. And on the right side, we have the tricuspid valve. The strings that are attached to the valves here are the carinae tendineae. The carinae tendineae strings attached to the papillary muscle. In the middle, which separates the heart, is the interventricular septum. So we're going to review that again. So the right side of the heart, the left side of the heart. Here we have the left coronary arteries. Here, left coronary arteries. We have the right auricle, this flap here on this side, the right auricle. Here, this flap is the left auricle. If we open this up, here we have the left side of the heart, the right side of the heart. This area here is the left ventricle that includes the apex of the heart. We have the left atrium. Here we have the right ventricle and the right atrium. On the left side of the heart, we have the bicuspid or mitral valve. And on the right side of the heart, we have the tricuspid valve. The strings that are attached to the valve are the carinae tendineae, or heartstrings, here. And these strings attach to the papillary muscle, which is here, this muscle here. The separated part of the heart from left to right side is the interventricular septum. And that's our dissection of the sheep heart.